birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow, blow, blow.
Everyone, I'm whispering because we're gonna surprise our one and only Mac. This is the intro. I don't know what you guys. What is the guys? Is the guys of everything? I'm not really sure. I mean, how do I call you guys in Melody's vlog? I'm gonna tell you something. We just moved to a different piece of our main apartment. We're about to surprise Mac for our gift. No. Mali na naman ka, parang kubuisin. I'm trying my best to talk in English because maybe, just a maybe. Parang viewers sila na somewhere there. I-share na, bakla. Okay, bakit na sila? May dala silang gift. Yung gift namin is yung sapatos at saka yung... Actually, hindi kami gift secret. Asawa ni Mag yung cellphone na inaantay-antay ni Mag yung Samsung S25 Ultra. Hindi na sila makikita nyo sila lahat. Haba ng intro ko. What is the UN and everything? Hola, ¿cómo tale? So nice to meet you. Nasaan? Nakakapatubak yan. Ayaw mo kayo. Ingay, kailan na?
Ate Maris!
Ingay ah.
Ate Maris, kaya ko regalo kay Ma. Okay na, makahiya.
Mac, may regalo kami sa'yo.
Regalo kami sa'yo, syempre. Hindi namin pwedeng ano.
Hindi naman pwedeng wala kami regalo sa'yo, Mac.
May regalo kami sa'yo. Meron ko dito po sa akin.
Wait lang.
Nalaman ko wala ng pag-i. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pero wala pa rin yung cellphone mo kasi
Wala ka niya cellphone mo, sorry.
Kaya pala ito yung tinatawag sa akin. Nasagot?
Okay lang, gift first.
How is your reaction and
Nasagwat.
everything?
Lahat kami kasama lahat kami. Ito kayo lang yung
Was it nice? Was it good?
Di ba nalaman ako yan, o, di ba?
What you gonna say?
What will you say to your family?
Wala.
Wala ka mag-dyan?
Night.
for us. Naging isa ata.
Ito ang night ulit.
Night lang kami.
Wow, ang dami naman.
Galing kay tita.
Bakit tinapay?
Magaling ang bagong dating.
Alam mo,
grabe naman yung grabe naman yung unboxing ni Kuya mo, kuchilyo.
Hindi mo kaya mag-unbox niyan.
Sana all na ka.
Kuya.
S25.
Bago.
bagong piso para sa cellphone.
Ang ganda pala niyan. What will you say to Joy? Ano masabi mo kay Joy?
Happy birthday to me.
Ba't mo tinanggal yan? Teka ko Ate Maris. Ba't mo tinanggal yan? Screen protector yan.
Hindi ah.
Ito na ba?
Naman. Cellphone na.
Ano ba?
Ay, hindi marunong.
Pala.
Eh, sila pala laro lang yan.
Depende ko natin.
Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you.
Wow. What you gonna say?
Bago na ako natin doon ah. Hindi nadating eh. Kain na, pakain na yan. Kasi kasuhin yan, kasi kasuhin. Kasi kasuhin, ko lang pagkain.
What is the happening?
Si Ate Lord.
Ay, bakit ganyan?
Hindi, ba't iba yan? Mamaya ulit.
Kasi iba-ibang ano.
Welcome.
Ginayon yung ano. Happy birthday!
Pakainin sa tilod, pakainin.
Ay, ilaw, ilaw, mas dami mo.
Busog yan.